if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, yeah. Some of you have been asking me for a prom look, and so I just thought I would deliver that today. I'm gonna be using two palettes actually, and one of them is this Becca Volcano Goddess palette. My goal is for this look to be easy to achieve, like not too many twists and turns and pentagons and hydrogen molecules or anything like that. But yes, let me clean up my brows real quick and we'll come back, zoom in, and get started on the eyes. I'm going to be using my P. Louise base in shade 4. So one of the reasons I just wanted to mainly focus on the eyes is because you guys see me do the rest of my face and it barely ever changes unless I'm using new products just for the heck of it, but for the most part it's the same thing. So the Suva Beauty Block Party palette, I'll be using two colors out of this, Boombox and Dancing Shoes. So let's use Boombox first. Color is so pretty. Now I'm dipping into Dancing Shoes. Just packing that on the outer V. Going back into Boombox. So I'm using my Sigma Blending E36 brush and very lightly using circular motions to blend out the very edge. And I'm just continuing to bring it down using those same very small circular motions. It's actually easier if you have your hand like propped up on something and then you can go ahead and blend it. And I don't know if you can see, but like when you have your hand propped up, it's just the fingers moving. Your wrist is not moving. It's literally just your fingers. That way you're able to get fine motion. I freaking love the quality of Suva Beauty eyeshadows. Like, seriously. I rarely ever have issues with their mattes unless I'm using their mattes with a different like brand's colors. I'm using my other E36 brush. I'm just gonna kind of clean it off because it does have a bit of color from a previous look on it. So I'm gonna dip into Dancing Shoes and same thing, short circular motions very lightly. Sometimes you might have to add a little bit in between where your blend was and where the primary amount of eyeshadow or majority of the eyeshadow is at. Okay, so bear with me here. Here's the plan. I'm gonna be using a black base. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and I'm gonna place it over the lid. Just using a brush to blend this out just so I have more of the product over a majority of the eyelid. And I'm gonna extend mine a little bit, just a little bit above the crease. The Becca Volcano Goddess palette. I do not want to use my fingers, so I'm actually going to use a foam applicator and go into, I can actually use the rounder side. Go into Midnight Sapphire and place it right. Oh, see how it just grabs onto it. I really got to start using these foam applicators more frequently. And I'm just stamping with the foam applicator, by the way. Okay, I definitely could have gotten away with not blowing this eye out and smoking it out so much, but hey, go big or go home. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer, set things, and then we'll come back to the eyes real quick. Okay, we're back. For the lower lash line, I'll be using the same gradient, Boombox and Dancing Shoes. And to make sure I don't get a whole ton of fallout to the lower lash line, I like to just stamp the shades on. All right, now for the most important decision, which color to use for the inner corner. I'm almost thinking lava because oranges and blues tend to really complement each other. If I don't like it, I'll just put another color over it. Okay, I have no setting spray on my brush whatsoever. And this is my Sigma Pencil E30 brush, by the way. I'm just gonna sweep it up a tad. For a bit of extra drama, I'm gonna use Diamond Dust, which is this one here. Still going into the volcano goddess, whatever. You know what? It really didn't make much of a difference. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then we'll come back and apply highlighter and lipstick together. All right, guys, I am back. I'm gonna be using this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Gold Lava. I did add a little bit of blush. I used MAC Raisin as my blush, by the way. I don't know, just the gold and the blue and the emerald. It's looking nice. I'm gonna add a light wash to the brow bone. And this is just something I like to do. I take a liner brush, dip into my highlighter, and I go into the upper lip area to accentuate the, I think it's called fill trim. I always forget what it's called. To the lips, I'm gonna keep it very bare and simple. I'm gonna use the Netta lip gloss by ColourPop and Ellery. All right, guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? You definitely do not have to have yours smoked out as much as mine, and you can definitely opt for whatever lip color you want. But I feel like this would be really pretty for somebody who has like a blue dress or a green dress or a gold dress or a tan dress. Feel free to let me know what you think about the look down below in the comment section. And my lash is coming off again. Like, I don't know what it is lately. My lashes are just coming off to the inner corner and it's driving me absolutely nuts. But anyways, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you would like to subscribe, go ahead and do so down below. And also do not forget to hit that bell. Make sure you have all notifications ticked off so you do not miss any of my video uploads. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm at Youkeyy_. That's YOUKEYY_. Thank you so much for hanging out with me once again. I hope you got some form of inspiration from this, and I hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.